This is Eric with Lonestar Acoustics, and we just finished an installation in Austin. Here's the QT100 control module. Got it going up out of this server room. This is a new construction, so we got it going out here, out to this first speaker. And we got them all daisy chained together. Sounds good, looks good. This is a metal acoustic ceiling. It's got a metal pan, as you can see, and then inside of it is acoustic material. So went through here. There's a train that comes by here, so maybe it'll help a little bit with that. We got a really nice outdoor patio that they have. Very modern looking office. Went in with the Cambridge QT100 control module along with the emitters with the universal housings, and the lady I'm working with came over and she said she couldn't even tell that it was up there. It blended in so nicely, so that was a big compliment, and I'm having trouble finding them too. Here we go. Here's the next line. There's one I almost missed. There's one over here. There's one. Kind of like Where is Waldo. You can find them if you look hard enough. And then there's their break room. Get a couple in here for music. Let me go back over this last line. One in the corner right there. Show you a little trick I did on this last one. It needed to go here where this pipe was, so I just shot it out at a 45-degree angle. So that's it. Turned out really nice. Client's happy. And another successful installation, another happy client for Lonestar Acoustics.